Hi, I'm Eric from AMP. Today we're going to be unboxing the SR-GM14H. This is an installation and integration kit made specifically for the Stinger Heighten 10-inch multimedia infotainment system. It takes the 10-inch HD touchscreen display and mounts it flush in the dash of your GM truck. Let's take a look at what's in this kit that makes this flawless installation plug and play. Right on top of the box, we have a piece of paper with a QR code. Just scan that with your smartphone to download the latest instruction manual. There's a plug and play harness for your vehicle. This is going to plug directly into your truck and plug right into the Heighten. It's going to retain your steering wheel controls and other great features. We got our dual USB extension cord. This is going to plug into the back of the Heighten and run those USB ports to the front of your GM truck. Here's our reverse camera retention harness. Retains the factory reverse camera if equipped. A satellite radio retention harness to connect into the satellite radio tuner if you're retaining Sirius. A reverse camera retention harness. This is used in newer trucks to retain your factory reverse camera. There's a steering wheel connection harness. This connects underneath the steering column and runs over to the dash. An AM/FM antenna adapter. Chime module and radio replacement interface. Here's our small video adapter. The plastic trim panel that mounts the Heighten flush in the dash of your truck. A pack of zip ties. And some more mounting hardware. And that's everything that's included in the SR-GM14H that allows you to easily achieve a seamless installation of the Heighten in your GM pickup. For step-by-step installation instructions, check out our install videos. Thanks for watching.